God, I just realized I left a pair of shorts on the fan, so everybody's going to see that. It's just like, this is one of those days. I lost my Clipper card with 15 or 20 bucks for the bus ride on at Walmart because the guy was bugging me, can I help you? And I'm going, I can't see what I'm doing well because this left eye. I can't see small print. I left my currency at home, had my bag of quarters. I normally put my Clipper card in this thing. I put it in my jacket pocket. I dressed for cold weather. It was warm and sunny today. I was roasting in Walmart. Guys, it's the size of a combination between the refrigerator Perry and Jerome Bettis are grabbing all the wheelchairs. They don't look like, they need a wheelchair. They need to be walking. I'm overweight, but I walk with a cane. My knee swells up, and I can't put any weight on it. So I'm pushing a shop cart around the store, and I get up to the self-serve. I got exactly 20 items. The woman goes, 20 items or less. It looks a lot more because I got toilet paper. And by the way, this is a haul video. And I'm trying to go through the bag and look for I had a bunch of quarters in a plastic bag, and I'm trying to look for my money and then realize I left it here, and I didn't see it because I can't see it. I still haven't found it. And my Clipper card is in my jacket pocket. When I took the jacket off and put it in the cart when I came into the store, it must have fallen out. And I called County Connection. I called Clipper. I called County Connection back. They said, well, if you print a thing out, I said, I have no printer. Well, then you have to download it and get someone to print it out for you and give us $5 or come in. I said, okay, how long does it take to get the card? They said, up to 4 weeks. I'm going like, I'm screwed. I can't go anywhere. That means I don't go to San Francisco. I was hoping to do that. I don't go anywhere now until the 31st. I have some cash in my pocket. And then I may be stuck at this house for 3 weeks unless I pay full price in the bus. So this has been a Mr. Murphy wins today. All right. I did the meal time already. This is going to be for Bergen Boxing. I was really surprised at that. So some of this is from Walmart. Some of this is from the soup kitchen. So I will show you. I got 2 cans of carrots from the soup kitchen. By the way, I ate all the ham. I'm hammed out now officially. I'm turkeyed out now officially. Can of organic kidney beans. A can of green beans. They had no bread to speak of. And I got a whole bag of these. The mandarin oranges. I love these things. And then I got a bag of broccoli florets. And one thing I wanted to get at Walmart, I forgot, was butter. Got some zucchini. And a bag of apples. That's the free stuff. But what I went to Walmart for was toilet paper and Johnny Cat liners. And I don't know why. I go in there, I get 1 item or 2. I want to get, a couple of items. I look for filters for my air machines. I keep getting sinus infections. They only had one kind. I got to go to Target to get the other or order them online. When I have the money, and I'm paying off my Amazon card to 0 on the 31st, actually giving them $12 more. I want to see what happens if I give them more than I owe them, or if their whole system collapses. Okay, I got 3 rolls of paper towels. These are 48 cents a piece. They're cheap. They're not the greatest thing in the world, but they work for me. I got 5 packages of toilet paper. I can live without everything but coffee and toilet paper. Okay. I got 2 bottles of Martinez apple cider. This was real cheap there, too. It was way under $2. I got 3 bottles of the Walmart peach water. And I got, anyway, this is the bag full of the mandarin oranges. More paper towels. More toilet paper. And we have the Christmas pizza, which I will make for dinner. Now I'm going to I can't see anything right now. My eyes are shut. Okay, there's my Red Baron pizza. This is my snack, my unhealthy snack, the Snyder's family style sourdough nuggets. And finally, what I went into Walmart for, other than the last box of Johnny Cat liners. I normally don't take the last box, but I have to change the cat box. So that's, oh wait a minute, there's 2 more items. 3 more items. I forgot. I don't think well when I'm frazzled. 2 cans of Fancy Feast turkey and cheddar cheese, chick feast and gravy, because on the 31st I'll be out of wet food for the kitties. I love these things. Welch's mixed fruit snacks. I already munched on them. I've never seen these. They look like little, ow. I had to carry stuff that was heavy and mean I'm screwing up my arm again. I'll be glad when I can buy that 1 cart. They look like this. They're like gummy bears. And each one's a different flavor. Tangerine, pineapple, grape. The grape packs are the ones that are hard to find. Watermelon. I don't know what else. And aside from the fact the cats like these, I think they have the silliest pictures on them. This is Temptations Blissful Catnip flavor. This cat is he's in catnip nirvana. You can see him holding onto the catnip stalk, and he's lying in the catnip plant. And I've been there and done that in Oakland. I raised a 6-foot-high catnip plant. Came home one day and the cats were dragging the catnip plant all over the house with the dirt clog on the bottom, which they had removed all the leaves off. And they did that for about a month. And every time I tried to grab it from them, there was much growling and hissing at me. This is our catnip plant. You cannot take this catnip plant. It made a mess of my carpet. I had to use rug shampoo with my carpet. So, all right, that's my haul for today. So, you know, I'm stockpiling tuna fish. If we ever go on the tuna fish alert system, I have 7 cans. I have to eat that salad tonight before it goes bad. I have 7 cans of tuna fish. I have 5 cans of kidney beans. This sounds like the Christmas song. I have 5 cans of tomato sauce and a jar of peanut butter. So now I got more stuff here. Carrots, kidney beans. I'm saving the kidney beans because next month I want to make homemade chili. And I finished off the ham. All right, that's it. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. It's 5:17 in the evening, 70 degrees in my apartment with the door open, getting a little nippy. I think I'm going to cook the pizza and then go feed the cats. I fed Tiny one. I'm going to go feed Talkie and, not Talkie. I kind of miss Talkie. I keep thinking about him. Poor baby, he's missing him. I haven't seen him in months. I'm going to go feed Mama Cat, Kitten, Orangey, Gray, and last night Blackie showed up. He stood on the other side of the bushes. I may have said this before, I don't know. And I keep telling him, don't be afraid of me. I will not hurt him. I love kitties. Come here and eat, silly kitty. He lives next door to the senior center. He has a home. He has a little collar and a little red tag. Well, I was about 3 feet from the curb, and he came out from behind the bushes, walked up to the food on the curb, and started eating. Did not hiss at me or growl at me. That's the closest he's come near me, so it's a breakthrough. All right, this is George Senda, the guy. I've got enough sleep for once, but my body is saying nap time. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Football's tonight, and stay warm and dry, stay safe, have a great evening, and I hope you have better luck than I am because I'm so mad I lost that card. I should have put it in my wallet, but I'm getting right back on the bus in 10 minutes. Who thinks they're going to lose a card with a coat sitting in a damn shopping cart? I will not do that again. Bye-bye for now.